In this video, I will be showing you how Canva can create a QR code. Let's get started. To begin, I'll go to the Elements tab in the side menu and search for QR code. I'll select the QR code tool from the results to open the generator panel. Now I'll type in the URL I want the code to link to. To customize the look, I'll click the drop-down menu and choose a new foreground color, like this bright pink. After that, I'll click Generate Code to add it to my canvas. I can also create additional codes with different styles. For the next one, I'll adjust the margin and experiment with a yellow and black color scheme. I'll click Generate Code again, and now I have a second version ready to use. If I need to tweak a code I've already made, I can simply select it, choose a new color like this green, and then click Update Code. It's a great way to make sure your QR code matches your brand perfectly. Now you can easily generate and style custom QR codes for any of your projects.